So the very beginning for our hinge process is we're going to start with sliding hinges. I really like this for our younger athletes as we try to learn to differentiate, between a hinge motion of our hips versus a bend or a squat motion. So what we'll start right here is you're going to have a slight bend in the knees while our chest remains tall. Hands will be right here on our thighs. And I really like this for younger athletes because it teaches that hinge motion without a lot of load. That way we could just practice the movement before we add external variables like weight. So right here, my hands on my thighs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actively push my butt back while keeping contact with my hands. And I'm going to go as far as I possibly can, and we're going to come right back up to the top. So, couple things you'll see with athletes is really, as a coach, watch where they start getting their motion when they finish their hinge. A lot of athletes who don't hinge very well, they'll come right here, and maybe that's as far back as they feel comfortable, and they start to bend down with it. We want to actively cue our athletes to continue to push their butt back. They should feel it as much in their hamstrings as possible, right here. And you'll notice right here with my neck position too, my chin always follows my sternum, okay? I don't want to have this motion where my chin and my eyes are forward. As you start to see, that changes my cervical spine, my C-spine. So right here, chin follows sternum, keep pushing butt back, right back to the top. Those are sliding hinges.